Okay, so here we're going to be looking at some very simple averages, specifically the mean, the median and the mode, and then a spread of data from the range. Now, I've got two sets of data here, one with 5 data points, 2, 6, 4, 2, 6, and one with 4 data points, 3, 3, 8, and 6. The way to calculate all of them is exactly the same. The mean, we're going to add the numbers together. 2, 6, 4, 2, 6. And then we're going to divide by the number of numbers. In this case, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add them together. 2, add 2, add 6, add 4, add 6 is 20, divided by 5. So in this case, the mean is 4. Here, we'll do the same thing. 3, 3, 6, add 8, divide by 4. So 3 add 3 is 6, add 6 is 12, add 8 is 20, divided by 4 is 5. So the mean in this case is 5. It's one way to average the data. On average, this data is 4, and on average, these 4 data points are 5. Median is the same thing, but in this case, median is the middle number. So what we need to do is we need to arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest, and we'll take the middle. It's the middle one. So if we cross off the numbers, we get the median. Do the same thing here. 3, 3, 6, 8. So we'll again cross the numbers off. But in this case we come to a bit of a problem here in that we have 3 and 6 being in the middle. So we'll take the middle of the two. We'll take the middle of 3 and 6. If you add them together and divide by 2, you get the middle. That is the median, 4.5. Just a different kind of average. Now, the mode is the one that occurs the most. The number in the list that occurs most often. So in this case, we have 2 2s and 2 6s, so the mode is both 2 and 6. The mode's not very helpful in this case because it doesn't really approximate the data at all. We've got our 2 smallest and our 2 biggest, so it's not really a very good average. The mode here would be 3, because you have 2 3s, but then only 1 8 or 1 6. If you had a list where there are no repetitions, you write no mode. Last but no means least is the range. We do the biggest number, which is 6, and we take away the smallest number, which is 2. Again here, same thing. The biggest number is 8. The smallest number is 3, so the range is 5. The range shows you the spread of data. It tells you that the gap between the smallest and the biggest number, in this case is 5, and in this case is 4.